Welcome back, everyone. In the series of statistics for business decision, Unit 3 Measures of Central. Let's understand what is this measures of central tendency means. As the word here itself is saying that central tendency. Central means midpoint. Okay. Central tendency here means that a midpoint on an average of a data set. If you have n number of students in your class, let's say you have 100 students in your class, okay, 100 students in your class. Each of them, if you collect the data from each of them in the subject principles of management, how much marks each of them have scored. If you collect the data and out of that 100 students data, like one of them would have got 10, other would have got 15, other would have got 20, other would have got 18, someone would have got 0 also, someone would have got 50 out of 50 also. Okay, so like that you will collect the data of 100 students. You have the observation of 100 students, and even you may have a frequency of those students, like 3 student might have got 15 marks, 10 student might have got 0 marks, like that frequency also. But what is the use of having just observation and frequency? We want to know something more out of that data, right? We can get to know how many students have got what is an average of the data, what is the average marks of 100 students. We can get to know that. We can also get to know that what is the mid value that students has got, and we can also get to know that what is the repeated value, highest number of times, what is the highest frequency of observation, like 18, let's say 18 number out of 50, 18 marks has been scored by 70 students. Okay, 50 marks out of 50 marks, 18 marks has been scored by 70 students. If the frequency is 70 for the observation 18, it means that it has repeated 70 times. Then we will get to know something. We can interpret something out of that statistics, or else it will just remain as a number. So if we want to interpret something, we want to bring something out of the numbers, then we use the concept of measures of central tendency here. Measures of central tendency are statistical values that represent the center or average of data sets. They help in understanding the typical value around which data is concentrated. We will understand this in detail by understanding we do have 3 types of central tendency here: mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode. So we need to understand this clearly so that we can understand the concepts, the problems in future videos properly. First, the concept of mean. The mean is sum of all the values divided by number of values. We will understand it with the example so that you can easily understand this. What is mean? Mean is called as average. Mean is called as average, also known as arithmetic mean here. Arithmetic mean. We call mean, nor average mean, as an arithmetic mean. Okay, because here we are adding up the things, adding up the observations, so divided by the number of observations, so we will get the average. That is why we are calling here it as a arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean. When we are adding it, arithmetic mean. If you are multiplying it and checking the square root or the cube root or something like that, then it becomes a geometric mean, which we are not discussing here. Okay, here we are just understanding the concept of mean, median and mode. Okay, so what is mean? The mean is the sum of all the values divided by number of values. Example, marks of 5 students. Student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, student 5. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. We need to add all this 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 5. 5, how did we get this 5? 5 is here sum of x divided by n. 5 is number of observations here, values. So we have 5 observations, so we have taken 5. If we have 6 observation, if we have 100 observation, we will take 6 or 100 there, depending on the number of observation we have here. Okay, number of items we do have here, or number of values we have here. To make you understand, I am repeating the words with a different vocabulary. Okay, so here 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 is equal to 150 divided by number of items, that is 5, is equal to 30. 150 divided by 5 is equal to 30. 30 is the average marks got by the 5 students. One of them have got 10, other might have got 50, some few of them have got like 20, 30 and 40, but the average marks of the 5 students here is 30. So this is the meaning of mean here, average. So next, median or middle value. The median is the middle value when the data is arranged in ascending order. We have to arrange the data in an ascending order when it comes to median. This is most important step. If odd numbers of items are there, like say let's say odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that. Obviously, if the number of items are 3, okay, let's say 5, one student has got 5, one student has got 10, other student has got 15. So mid value here is 10. This is odd numbers based, okay. If it is even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, like that, right? So if even numbers are there, like say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here this is 5 numbers are there, that is odd number. Instead of this odd number, if we say we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are here. That is 6 means even number, right? So we have to see the mid two values. 6, okay. Oh, first total 6 are there. So we have to see the mid two values, that is 15 plus 20. 15, 20. So 15 plus 20 divided by 2 is what we get the median here. Okay, so 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 divided by 2 is 17.5 is the mid value, which is greater than 15 and lesser than 20. So this is how we calculate the median, mid value. First we need to arrange the values in the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger, smaller to largest. And we have to find the mid value, that is median for this question. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, 5 observations. So mid value is 15. If the data was 5, 10, 15 and 20, this is for odd number. This is for odd numbers. This is for even numbers. If the data is just 4 digits, 4 numbers, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. We have 4, right, even numbers. So here the mid two values are 15 and 10 and 15. So we have to add 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. So we get the 12.5 number, that is the median, mid value. Next we need to understand mode. The mode here is most frequent value. Mode means most frequent value. Is number of times the particular observation has repeated. The mostly repeated number of our observation is considered as a mode. The mode is the value that occurs most often in the data. Example, if you see 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 3, 8, let's say out of 10 mark in the test, student has got 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 3, 8. Now, which is the highest repeating number here? 2 has what is the 2 this for observation? If I write this observation and frequency, 2 has repeated only one time, 3 has repeated 1, 2, 3 times, 5 has repeated only one time, 7 has repeated only one time, 8 has repeated only one time. So what is the mode? 3 is the mode here because the frequency of 3 is 3 times. The highest repeated number here is 3. Hence, the mode for this question, the series, the observations is mode 3. So this is about the mode concept. Next, we will understand the concept of arithmetic mean and geometric mean in the next video.